Okay, so today, Harper, we're going to work on testing your rhyming and your ability to comprehend words, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The first thing I'm going to grab out of my bag of goodies here, I'm going to grab you a whiteboard and some markers. Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to pull an object out of the hat and you're going to write down what it is, like you're going to spell it out, and then you're going to list off as many words as you can think of for rhyming, okay? How many different rhymes you can think of. Testing your ability to understand words, okay? Alright. First object I'm going to pull out is what is this? Alright, what is it? What did you write down?
A ball.
You wrote down a ball? Okay, I'm gonna have you spell it out loud for me. Spell it out for me, okay?
B-A-L-L.
Okay. Now we're gonna have you write down on the whiteboard how many different rhymes you can think of, okay? I'll give you about roughly a minute, okay? Let me get a timer on my phone. And go. Your brother's not happy. Alright, we're gonna give you about 15 more seconds, okay? And time. Okay, so what was the base word again?
Ball.
Okay, so what did we come up for rhymes?
Tall. Straw.
What's the last one?
Stall.
Stall? Okay. A couple other good ones you can think of. You got tall. You could have gone small. You got ball. If you drop it, it falls. When we think of shall here, yes, it has the A-L-L, but do they sound the same when you say them? Ball and shall. That's actually a much more complicated thing called an I rhyme you learn later on. They look the same, but they don't sound the same, okay? I'm going to set this one over here. We're going to do another object.
Do I erase it?
Nope, we can leave them how it is. Just draw a line right beside it. That way we can separate it from the other ones. Alright, next one. What do I have here? Okay, what did you write down?
Hat.
Alright, can I have you spell it out for me?
H-A-T.
Alright, I'm going to give you another 45 seconds to think of rhymes, okay? You ready? And go. What are we doing right now? What are you doing? What are we doing on this bench? Nope. Think of it in the past tense. We're currently doing it. So instead of an I, put in a. Sat. Okay, and time. Alright, so the word was hat. What'd you come up with?
Bat, sat.
Okay, so bat and sat are both good. We could have done cat. You can do pat. You can do fat. And you could have done many other things. Alright, so I'm going to have you put your line one more time. Reach into my bag of goodies here. And what do we have here? I'm going to set it down one more time. Alright, what do we got here?
Car.
And how do you spell it out?
C-A-R.
Okay, you ready to come up with some rhymes?
Mm-hmm.
And 3, 2, 1, go. While you think of those, I'm gonna go grab you a pencil. Oh. Twenty more seconds. Ten seconds. 2, 1, time. Alright, so what was the word again?
Car.
Car. Okay, and what'd you come up with as a rhyme?
Scar.
It's a good one, that's a hard one. We could have done things like far. Dad's far away from us right now. You got just a pure block of something, it's a bar. If it's kind of muddy, it can be tar.
Wait, I thought of something.
What'd you think of?
There's two kinds of bars.
Yeah? What is that?
Like you get somewhere to hang out.
To hang out, and then the bar like I was talking about?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. So we got car, scar, far, bar, and it's muddy tar. So we're going to show this real
Muddy
quick.
tar.
Yeah. Real quickly, there's our words and rhymes. Put that over in our bag of goodies.
Buggy.
Alright, put the marker in there. The hat goes in there. The ball, the car. Trains, planes, bananas.
Blah, blah.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little reading comprehension screener, okay, for second graders. So I'm going to have you put your name up there on the top. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to have you read through this passage, okay?
Okay.
Let me find the right one.
First. The right one first.
Yep, this one we're going to work on your ability to decode words and how fluent you are, okay? I'm going to have you read the whole thing. I want you to be thorough, okay? I want you to not rush through it, but I want you to try to be no mistakes, okay? I'll have you read, and then the name is going to be Buster, just to kind of start you off, okay?
My dog Buster.
Yep, that is the story. Let me see the pen real quick. Okay, and I'll have you start reading.
Buster is my dog, and he is the best dog in the world. Buster is white.
No, we're gonna have you sound it out, spell it out.
With
Yep.
me all the time. He sleeps together. We sleep together in the same bed. My mom does not like that we run together. Buster runs faster than I run, but we still have fun.
Have what?
Fun.
There you go.
That's
Oop.
we
Yep.
watch TV together. If my homework is not done, I can't watch TV. Buster was to watch me do my homework, and then when we can watch TV at dinner time. Buster sits by me. I let him have bites
Yep.
of food. Don't tell my mom, she doesn't. like me to share with Buster. I like Buster a lot. He is the best dog in the world.
That he is, Harp. That he is. Alright.
Do you have a mosquito bite on your hand?
Yeah, I have a mosquito bite on my hand. I've had that thing forever, Bones.
I got one too.
Alright, we're going to move on. That's a grading scale for me later on, okay? We're going to put those face down so we don't look at them. Alright, next thing I'm going to do.
Very fun.
Very funny. Next thing we're going to do, Harp, is I'm going to test your ability to think of things, okay? This one is for both of us to look at. Mav, can I have you be quiet? Go sit down, bud. Go sit down, bud. Mav, go sit down, bud. Alright, real quick, Harp. I'm going to name items and categories. When I give you the category or group, you're going to name items until I tell you to stop, okay? Okay, I'm going to have you look at this. Or think to yourself, okay? Real quickly. Let me write how long it took you to read that last passage. Okay, next one. You ready? You're going to have 30 seconds to name things you find in a classroom. Go. What do you find in the classroom?
Desks.
Yep.
A smart board.
Yep.
Teachers.
Teachers, yep.
A board.
Board, okay, we'll count that. Even though you said smart board, they do different.
Tables.
Tables, okay. Alright, and that is time for that one. Okay, so we had board, smart board, teachers, tables, and desks. We could have done like pencils, papers.
Well, that's all inside desks.
Yeah, but those are in the classroom. Good thinking though. Alright, we're gonna do another one, okay?
This year, people had one third grade class, Miss Fragers and Mrs. Peters have TVs.
They have TVs?
Yeah.
Dang, look at them go. Okay, next category, okay? You're gonna have 30 seconds to name, sit down for me. You're gonna have 30 seconds to name fruits and vegetables, okay? And go.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers,
Tomatoes.
tomatoes,
Pickles.
pickles.
Pears.
Mm-hmm.
Apples.
Mm-hmm.
Bananas.
Mm-hmm.
Oranges.
Mm-hmm. 2 seconds. Time. Alright, so for that one we had 7. You named 7 things. That's pretty good. Alright. Sit down for me. I need you to sit down, okay? We're gonna finish this up. 30 seconds to name animals, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Pandas.
Pandas.
Iguanas. Chameleons. Alligators. Crocodiles. Lizards.
Lizards. 10 seconds.
Doggies.
Mm-hmm.
Cats. Fish.
Time. Alright, so we got 9 of them. That was really good. Alright. 2nd grade. They taught you states? You know any states? Okay.
Just a couple.
Just a couple? That's all we need is a couple. Okay, you ready? You have 30 seconds to name states, okay? And go.
Concordia.
Those are towns. You know, those are towns. Okay. Let's swap this to do towns, okay? We'll do towns near us. That'll work all the same. It'll let you think. Okay, can I sit down on? All right, face forward. And we're gonna name towns for 30 seconds, okay? Ready? Go.
Washington.
Mhm.
Concordia.
Mhm. All right, we're gonna take a break real quick.